far in the north of Ethiopia, where the land rising in the air grows thin. The Simien Mountains stands like natural fortress. This journey began in Gondar, through the gateway town of Debark. Beyond the park gates, the world changes. Roads disappear, silence grows deeper, and vast escarpments open in every direction. This is one of the African's most dramatic mountain landscapes. Here, gelada baboon move freely across cliff and grassland. They are not afraid and they are not stuck. This is their home and we are only guests. Trekking in Simien is a true adventure. Steep paths, high altitude, strong wind, endless valleys. Each steps bring you close to the heart of the mountain. As the sun sets, we set up a camp high above the valley. Fire our light, tea is shared, and stars appear bright than anywhere else. Nights here are cold, quiet, and unforgettable. My name is Tevan, and people around call me Tevan. I'm a local guide here in the Simien Mountain, and then all over Ethiopia as well, and I grew up close to this mountain, and I enjoy sharing with it a visitor, and I always make sure everyone feels like comfortable on the journey. And if you are looking for more than a trip, guys, and if you want to challenge in silence and the true wildlife, and the Simien Mountains are waiting for you guys. And travel with Tevan, travel with Tevan, travel with Simien Mountains.